Your stackable washer just died. The technician quotes $900. Then he tells you he has to remove the dryer first, another $200 just to reach the washer. Then he tells you the bearings are sealed and the drum cannot be repaired. Then he tells you the stacking kit will not fit the new model. You are replacing both machines. The dryer was working fine. One bearing. 2 machines in the landfill. That is not space saving. That is a disposal multiplier. A standard washer has 1 sealed drum problem. A stackable has 2, bolted together. When the bottom unit fails, you do not fix the washer. You replace the stack. Today, what they changed, the brands to avoid, and the one rule that separates a 20-year stack from a 5-year prop. The standalone washer's sealed drum, bearings molded into the outer tub and non-replaceable, requires $400 to $900 in repair, and it is the planned obsolescence mechanism documented in the washing machine episode. Stacking makes it worse in 3 ways. Access. The washer is pinned under 130 to 170 pounds of dryer. Unstacking means disconnecting electrical, water, drain, and bracket, 1 to 2 hours, and $150 to $300 in labor before the repair begins. Space. Most stackables live in closets where there is no room to unstack without removing the dryer entirely. Doors pulled, trim removed. A 90-minute side-by-side repair becomes a half-day stack job. One appliance tech put it plainly, I quote stackable repairs at double because half the job is getting to the machine. Most customers hear the number and just buy new. That is the business model. The cascade trap. The washer fails at year 5. The dryer is the same age, same manufacturer, same quality. The stacking kit is model specific. A new washer may not fit the existing dryer. The rational decision becomes replace both. 1 bearing, 2 machines purchased. That is a 1 to 2 replacement ratio built into the architecture. Many stackable installations cannot accommodate an exterior vent in apartments, condos, and interior closets. This pushed the market toward ventless condensation dryers as the default. A vented dryer exhausts moisture outside, done in 45 minutes. A condensation dryer routes moist air through a heat exchanger, collects water, and recirculates it. More components, more failure points, and 30 to 60% longer dry times. For a family running 6 loads per week, 3 to 5 extra hours waiting for laundry every week. Worse, moisture. A vented dryer sends it outside. A condensation dryer releases residual heat and moisture into the room. In closet installations, this creates sustained humidity above 60%. Apartment maintenance crews in humid climates report increasing mold calls in laundry closets with ventless stackables. The dryer that saved space is growing mold in the space it occupies. A couple in Houston discovered black mold behind their stackable after 14 months. The ventless dryer had been releasing moisture into a closet with no ventilation. Mold remediation cost $2,800. The dryer cost $900. The moisture damage cost 3 times as much as the dryer. The condenser requires cleaning every 1 to 3 months. The manufacturer buries this in the manual. When the dryer takes 3 hours per load, the condenser can fail, costing $300 to $700. Samsung Stackables. The 2016 recall involved 2.8 million top-load machines, with machine tops detaching mid-cycle, 9 injuries, including a broken jaw, and a settled class action. Front-load stackables use the same sealed drum design. Parts availability drops after 3 to 5 years. Many independent shops refuse Samsung entirely. In a stack, unstacking labor is wasted if parts are discontinued. Whirlpool and Maytag. They have the highest volume of stackables in America. Sealed drums are used across all price points. The Maytag name once meant 20 years. Now it sits on the same Whirlpool platform with only cosmetic differences. Installers flag their stacking kits for vibration transfer. The spin cycle travels through the bracket into the dryer and accelerates drum roller wear. The stack vibrates as one. The dryer absorbs stress it was never designed for. GE, Haier, owned since 2016. Control board failures are the second most common failure after bearings. They cost between $250 and $500 to replace, and the same unstacking process is required. Budget tier brands include Amana, Hotpoint, and Roper. They sell for $400 to $700 per unit. Service within year 1 to 2 is common. Repair cost often exceeds the unit cost. These machines are designed to be discarded, and in a stack, they take the partner with them. So who actually builds a stackable that lasts? Number 3. LG Wash Tower. LG solved the stacking kit problem by eliminating the stack, combining washer and dryer into one integrated cabinet. No bracket, no compatibility issue. The trade-off is simple. If either section fails, the entire unit is serviced as one piece. You cannot swap just the washer. The direct drive motor is backed by a 10-year warranty, and Yale Appliance tracks LG at a 2.7% service rate, the lowest of any brand. Price ranges from $1,800 to $2,700. Over 12 years, that works out to $150 to $225 per year. This is the best mass market option for the buyer who cannot install Speed Queen or Miele. Number 2. Miele W1 T1 pair. Every machine was tested for 10,000 hours, which equates to 20 years of home use. Spare parts are available for at least 15 years. The brushless motor means there are no carbon brushes to wear. The T1 heat pump dryer has a self-cleaning condenser that solves the maintenance burden other ventless dryers hide. The price for the pair ranges from $3,200 to $5,000. Over 20 years, that is $160 to $250 per year. Miele is the speed queen of stackables. LG worked around the stacking kit. Miele engineered for decades, but only one manufacturer looked at the sealed bearing, the single component driving every failure in this episode, and refused to seal it. Number 1. Speed Queen Front Load Stackable Pair. A commercial platform, 10,400 test cycles, and 25 years of home use. The critical difference: replaceable bearing assemblies. Bearings are not sealed into the tub. When they wear from year 15 to year 20, a technician replaces them for $150 to $300. That single decision eliminates the planned obsolescence driving the entire market. 7-year full warranty, best in the industry. Ripon, Wisconsin. Stainless steel tubs. Cross-model stacking kit. $2,400 to $3,600 for the pair. Over 25 years with one bearing service, $100 to $160 per year. 3 Samsung pairs over 25 years cost $4,800 to $7,200. 1 Speed Queen costs $2,400 to $3,600. The expensive stackable costs half. Check the bearing. Are the bearings replaceable or sealed into the tub? Sealed means the machine expires in 3 to 6 years, and it often takes the dryer with it. Replaceable means a $150 to $300 service instead of a $1,200 to $3,600 replacement. This question eliminates 90% of bad options. Check the warranty. A 1-year warranty means the manufacturer expects failure after the first year. 7 years from Speed Queen or a 10-year motor warranty from LG means they tested for survival and will back it. The warranty is the manufacturer telling you how long they trust their own product. Listen. Check the vent. If your installation allows vented machines, always choose vented. Vented is faster, cheaper, causes fewer failures, and does not trap moisture inside. If ventless is required, choose a heat pump over a condenser and budget for monthly maintenance, or buy the Miele T1 with a self-cleaning condenser. Here is the rule: check the bearing, check the warranty, check the vent. If the bearings are sealed, the warranty is 1 year, and the dryer is ventless by choice rather than necessity. You are not buying a laundry system. You are buying a 5-year stack that takes both machines to the landfill when one bearing fails. 2 stackables, same closet, Same price. One has sealed bearings and a 1-year warranty. Both machines are on the curb at year 5. The other has replaceable bearings and a 7-year warranty, still running at year 20 on a $200 bearing service. The only variable was what was inside the drum you never saw. Subscribe.